Hi dear, welcome to Aptic channel. On different occasions we spend money visiting software developers or local technicians to install basic programs for us on our PC. When some of this software programs has been made very easy that even a computer illiterate can access and use. Today I will be teaching you in just a minute how to install some basic programs into your PC from a CD. First, you have to purchase a program CD from a reliable source. Secondly, you have to check your PC properties at the system information to know if it meets the required features of the program to be installed. You can check my previous video on how to view your PC information for more details. After that, then insert your CD disk inside your PC disk drive. Allow it to run until it shows on your PC. It will take some PCs over 10 minutes to view what's in the CD. In this case, you will have to continue refreshing your PC to help it process fast until the CD name appears on your screen. Then, select the CD and open. You will see the drivers folder with other folders based on the content of the CD. Select the program folder and open. Here you will see a list of basic programs if the CD is a multi-program disk, or just the specific program if it's just for a single program. Select a program you wish to install and open. Some program not load unless opened as administrator. Click Yes, accept the terms and conditions. Follow the instructions as they appear to install your program. After a successful installation, launch your program to make sure it's working well, and enjoy. I will be guiding you step by step on how to download and install programs on my next video. Feel free to ask your questions here if you encounter any difficulty while doing this. And please let us know at the comments section how you see this video, as that will help us improve. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on our next video.